Six stocks to buy in December. December is there again. And while everybody is thinking about Christmas trips, we are thinking about how to position for the year 2026 before the market wakes up. When people need cash in December, they start selling their stocks. School fees are coming, travel plans are coming, family pressure is coming. So December usually brings small dips and nice opportunities. This is why we are doing this video. I want to show you 6 Nigerian stocks I believe are worth watching this December. I will give you their current prices, their 52 weeks high, and the simple reasons why these companies might have room to rise in 2026. Just hit the like button if you are new here. Subscribe to this channel. Let's talk about these stocks that can make you money in the year 2026. Stock number 1 is the popular MTN Nigeria. If you don't have this stock in your portfolio now, I don't know what you are doing. Even though this year has not been easy for MTN, inflation increased the operation cost, diesel prices rise up, taxes is them, even network issues. But guess the bigger picture. MTN still has one of the heaviest infrastructure in the country. They still dominate the voice, the data, and all other enterprise solutions. Because data consumption in Nigeria keep rising every single day. People browse TikTok, people browse YouTube, Netflix, gaming, everything is running on data. No matter the situation in the country, people cannot stop using data. Now look at this. MTN current price is 470 naira only. So that means if you are buying one share of MTN Nigerian stocks, you only pay 470 naira now. And the 52-week high is 520 naira. This means it has run up to 520 naira. But currently you can buy it for 470 naira. That means this stock is sitting below its normal range. And MTN is the type of stock that does not stay low forever. Once January comes and people begin to buy back into the market, this stock can rise again, even more than the current 52-week high. So if you are looking for a stable, long-term, large cap stocks that pay dividend and has predictable demand, MTN remains a smart pick for you. And this December might just be the discount period before the next bounce. If you have 5,000 naira, you can start by buying MTN Nigerian stocks. 5,000 naira can get you more than 10 MTN Nigerian stocks currently. Stock number 2 is the Sterling NG. Sterling NG announced something in the year 2025, and that is no transfer charges. They changed their structure, shifted into a holding company, and created a lot of development in their banking system, especially the free transfer. So you can transfer on your Sterling Bank without charges. This bank has really been moving differently. Their focus on digital banking, education, finance, renewable loans has been paying off. And Sterling Bank is not chasing noise, they are chasing efficiency. The current price is just 7.1 naira per share, but the 52-week high is 8.97 naira. Look at the difference in price. This means Sterling Bank has a proven ability to rise and still has room to go back up. And this can happen when a bank is improving operations and increasing profits, but the price is still below its yearly high. That usually signals a possible rebound. Sterling is becoming that modern bank that can compete with the likes of those bigger banks like the GTCO, like the Jaiz Bank. If they stay consistent, people buying now will thank themselves later. Don't forget, current price right now is 7.1 naira, 7 naira 10 kobo per Sterling Bank share. And your 5,000 naira can buy you a lot of shares if you just want to start with 5,000 naira. Let's go to the next Nigerian stocks to watch now December. And our stock number 3 is Tantalizer. You all know Tantalizer, the same Tantalizer we used to see everywhere back in the day. A lot of people don't know the company still trades on the exchange, and that is where opportunities sometimes hide. Tantalizer has been restructuring. They have been reducing debt, improving cost control, and stabilizing operation quietly. And right now, the price is just 2.30 per Tantalizer share, while the 52-week high is 3.45, 3 naira 45 kobo per share. Do you see the gap? If this company continues making profits and also expand their business, this stock can climb back to 3.45. Remember, the current price is just 2.30 naira per share. Now, if it goes back to this, that is a lot of profit. But what if they continue making profit, expanding operations? This stock can become one of those big stocks. It is a high risk play, very high. But for investors who like small speculative positions, Tantalizer is a December stock worth watching. It is the kind of stock where you enter small, hold for long, and watch for potential recovery. If you have 100,000 naira to invest in this, you can get more than 40,000, yes, more than 40,000 shares in Tantalizer. Let's go to the next stocks. Stock number 4, Jaiz Bank. Jaiz Bank has also been performing wonder in their operation in 2025. Jaiz Bank is one of the most interesting financial institutions in the country, Nigeria. They operate using non-interest banking principles, and because of that, they tend to avoid super risky loans. The bank has been expanding fast, more branches, more customers, stronger digital presence, and increasing profitability. People like the idea of ethical banking that avoid interest, especially with how volatile the Nigerian economy can be. You know, the system of Jaiz Bank is Jaiz Bank don't collect interest. They don't give interest loan. What they do is when they give you a loan, they share part of the profit, not collecting interest. And look at the numbers. The current price of Jaiz Bank is 4 naira 59 kobo. Current price per share, 52-week high of 5.5. That means within this 1 year, it has rise to 5 naira 50 kobo, but current price is 4 naira 59 kobo. This tells you that the stock has room to grow, but it has also stayed stable without major collapses. This is a good sign for a bank. It means the company is disciplined. Jaiz feels like one of those stocks that may surprise people in the year 2026. So if you are looking to build your 2026 portfolio, Jaiz Bank may be one of those stocks you should have in your portfolio for 2026, especially if the economic environment improves just a little. Banking sector tends to gain. Number 5 of the stock is Omatek. Omatek, our 6 stocks to buy in December. If you're looking for Nigerian stocks to buy now, Omatek should also be one of your portfolio. The current price of Omatek is 1 naira 30 kobo, but this stock all-time high, 52-week high, is 1 naira 89 kobo. So this shows something here that this stock still have potential for growth. If Omatek gets the right partnership, the right contracts, new products, the stock can move, especially if you are the type of investors that is holding for long term. Let's say you are buying these stocks for your 2026 portfolio. Omatek might be a speculative stocks you should have in your portfolio. It is still a penny stock, just 1 naira 30 kobo. So that means a penny stock have high risk, high reward. If you hold and something change in the company, these stocks can run up really well. It is purely a speculative pick. Only enter if you can handle risk. The last stocks, which is Champions, the Champions breweries. It is December. And people like to catch fun. People like to, December is where people spend money on entertainment. Well, it is not bad. You've worked from January to December, so you should enjoy yourself. Champion tends to gain during December period. Even though these stocks, the Champion breweries, sits in a sector that was heavily pressured by inflation, high production costs, and weak consumer spending. But the companies that survive tough seasons usually become stronger in the comeback. Champion has been running efficiently, improving margins, and positioning for long-term growth. The current price is 14 naira 50 kobo. The 52-week high is 21.49 kobo. Now imagine the gap. Current price 14.50 kobo. 52-week high price is 21.49. This gap is wide, and that means this stock has potential upside if the company improves and consumer spending increases. And with December festivals, brewery demand usually rises, and that alone can push sentiment up. December is a time of festival, a time of celebration, and a lot of customers for companies like Champion Breweries. And look at the gap in price. If you buy now at 14.50 and you hold until 2026, something good may happen. Okay, investing is not gambling. Every stock here has its own risk level. MTN is stable, Sterling Bank is innovative, Tantalizer is for speculative, Jaiz Bank for disciplined investors. Omatek is risky, Champion is stable, but I see it as an undervalued stock at the moment. Your goal is not to buy everything. Your goal is to buy what fits your risk level, your patience, and your future plans. December is simply one of the best months to enter because people are selling for holiday spending. So prices usually soften a bit. If you are looking to buy for a cheap or for discounts, December is a time for you to pick those good stocks on the Nigerian stock market. If you want to buy all the stocks I've mentioned in the video, you can use the stockbrokers. Every stockbroker in Nigeria, you can see all the stocks I've mentioned here. There. Nigerians also use apps like the Bamboo apps. They also use apps like the Shove apps. And recently, Cowrywise now allow people to buy and trade Nigerian stocks. So just search for this Bamboo, Shove, Cowrywise on the Play Store or on the Apple Store. If you want me to make another video on the best cheap penny stocks for the year 2026, just drop it in the comments. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss the next updates about investing in the Nigerian market. Thank you for watching this video today, and I'll see you in the next video.